India makes history today as SEBI officially rolls out the T+0 instant settlement cycle for 25 selected stocks. Investors will now receive funds and securities immediately after a trade, moving away from the traditional 24-hour wait. This massive upgrade positions India as one of the fastest and most technologically advanced stock markets in the world. Tension peaks at the United Nations today as the Security Council votes on a critical resolution to keep the Strait of Hormuz open. Amidst the ongoing regional conflict, the proposal authorizes all necessary means to ensure the safe passage of global energy tankers. The world watches closely as a potential veto could trigger further global energy spikes. RBI Governor Sanjay Malhotra confirmed today that the repo rate will remain steady at 5.25%. Despite the intense Middle East conflict, the central bank has chosen a neutral stance to support domestic growth. With inflation currently below 4%, the RBI aims to provide stability while monitoring global oil price risks very closely. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has announced a strict new ban on non-biodegradable plastic flowers across Maharashtra. Effective immediately, municipal bodies are authorized to raid markets and fine decorators using artificial flowers. The move is designed to support local floriculture farmers whose livelihoods were being hit by cheap, environmentally damaging plastic imports. In a major scientific milestone, NASA and ISRO have released the first comprehensive global environmental datasets from the NISAR satellite today. Following its successful commissioning earlier this year, the satellite is now providing high-resolution maps of soil moisture and ice sheet movements. This data will be vital for predicting climate-related disasters across the Indian subcontinent.